What's up, everybody? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome back to another episode of my trades. Now, before I get into the technicals, guys, go ahead and show you the positioning of the portfolio. So as of right now, I'm still in 100% cash. Yesterday I was in 100% cash. I am just, being patient right now. Um, but right now, we're going to make a crucial decision from now till tomorrow, because there are some pivotal things that are going on right now in Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto markets right now at this point. And if we get confirmation, then to me, right now, I think the bottom could be in. Now, not financial advice, you got to do your own research, you have to do your own technical analysis. But the bottom could be in right now. But let me go ahead and show you what I mean, what I see, and this will indicate whether or not the bottom is in, essentially. Okay, so here's what we need to do in order to confirm this. So right now, Bitcoin actually had a really good day today. It actually bounced off of 108, which was uh, major support, which I said a couple of videos ago, I think, where I think I see a lot of major support at the 108, 107 range for us to get a nice big bounce. And so far, we've gotten a nice bounce. Rest of crypto is doing well. Like I said, Bitcoin's the index. When Bitcoin's doing well, the rest of cryptos are going to be doing well. So here's the technical, guys. Here is the thesis from now till the next 24 hours in my next episode, which will be tomorrow. Okay. Here's what we need to be watching for, and it's pretty simple. Okay. This right now is crucial. So Bitcoin's been in this channel, this big channel. I know there's a lot of trend lines and stuff. I know people are gonna think it's just a bunch of BS, but it's not BS. If you don't know how to, if you don't know how to do technical analysis, then you're kind of just gambling. You're kind of just guessing at what things are going to do and what things are going to. You're not gonna know how to position yourself correctly. So we've been in this channel for Bitcoin since July 9th, okay? So almost 2 months now. We've been in this little channel, right? And Bitcoin broke out of this channel for the first time in 2 months, which was Monday. Okay, so which was Monday, we had this big engulfing bearish candle that went all the way down and bounced off of my trend line off of the support at 109. Now we got a little bit of a bounce, but carried on to today, which we got we went below the little trend line, but we ended up getting another bounce at 1086, and now we're above 110, and we've shown some good volume. We've shown some strength today, which is very good to see. Now, here is the key thing right now, the most pivotal thing, whether or not the bottom is going to be in. The high probability of the bottom is going to be in. Okay, very simple indicator. Right now, Bitcoin crossed back inside this channel. Okay, we've been in this channel. We confirmed this channel back when we had the breakout on the 9th of July, and we broke out of it, which was Monday, which was yesterday. But now we're back inside the channel, right here. We're back inside. Okay, Bitcoin has to hold this. Simple as that. Simple as that. Right now, Bitcoin's at 11.6. Okay, and it's just hovering and it's just consolidating at this number at 11.6, 11.5. Strong volume, so that's good to see. Okay, that can be compelling buying right now from people who see a bargain on Bitcoin's price right now. Okay, this tonight is going to be very telling because the liquidity dries up overnight. Markets are going to be closed. We got to wait till the next New York Open, the New York session for tomorrow. But from here till then, Bitcoin has to hold 11.2. 11.2 cannot be broken at this point. If 11.2 is broken, if we lose 11.2 tonight on this line, this trend line that I've drawn out months ago, if we lose 11.2, then expect continuation down, way down. We can go as far down as 105, even 103, and possibly below 100K. Now, will the bull market be over? No, it will not be over because, like I said, it's not over until it crosses over the 50 EMA. When that time comes, I will let you guys know. I'll let you guys know when the major indicator flashes red, when the time comes when the bull market may potentially be over. That time is not now. It's not now, okay? As of right now, though, we got to confirm whether or not this correction is over. And right now, we have to just stay above 11.2, okay? This even goes further than the indicators that I use, the RSI and the MACD stochastic, right? Because right now on the RSI is still below the gold band. We want this purple band to cross over the gold band. Once that happens, that will tell you that we started a new trend. Essentially, we started a new trend. We're out of the corrective phase, and we're able to probably go up from there, right? So right now RSI is still down, has not crossed the golden band. Okay, that's bearish long term. It's still disrespecting the daily moving average, which is 13.3 right now, or 13.7. And then the stochastic MACD, which is the second indicator that I use, is still turning down. Still turning down. The MACD is still flashing red, so there's still some selling pressure. So that's why it's very important for Bitcoin to hold this overnight and to basically get more confirmation. Okay, we have to get more confirmation. So as of right now, I am not buying yet. Not buying yet. Okay, I'm going to wait a little bit. I'm going to wait from now till tomorrow to dictate whether or not I'm going to start buying up. Again, I'm getting good, risk to reward with Sui. Risk reward with Solana looks very good. Risk to reward with Ethereum did look good from 2 days ago, but if we have continuation, I'm just not going to even bother with Ethereum. Even Bitcoin actually has better risk reward right now, in my opinion, than Ethereum does. So Ethereum is showing major strength, and Ethereum is the leader of the altcoins. So this is good to see. This tells me that the alt season that we will probably have, if we're still in the bull market, is going to be very strong. That's just my speculation due to how strong Ethereum has been holding up throughout this entire correction phase. I'm quite surprised Ethereum has held up very well. So that being said, the bottom could be in, and we just got to get more confirmation from tonight for the rest of the day up until the New York session when the markets open in the morning, and then for tomorrow's close. From now to tomorrow's close, we will know and we'll have more information whether or not we can confirm that we're going to stay in this channel and whether or not we can attempt to make another trend up to the upside. So not buying yet, but if we stay above 11.2, I will definitely be buying some positions and setting up. When we do eventually go up and trend up again, it's still a dip buy. You're buying into the trend. The trend has just started, so buying in, I will be aggressively buying in once we get more confirmation. So until then, I am holding on to cash right now. Next episode for tomorrow, you guys will know my different position, if I'm still in 100% cash or I've deployed a little bit of capital into one of these. Until then, guys, have a great rest of your day. This is not financial advice. Do your own research, do your own technical analysis. This is just mine that I'm giving to you guys. Learn from my mistakes because I'm human, but it's all about probability. As long as the probabilities are lean on our side, we want to be more correct than we are wrong, then we should be able to be profitable in markets and when we do our trades. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video and have a great rest of your day, guys. Peace.